Oh, that's a trick.
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Whoa.
It's just air in the sky and the world. That's it.
Title 24 being the air and the sky isn't that far off, and I'll explain why. Title 24 is actually shorthand referring back to California statutes that were put into effect in 1978 that pertain to the environmental requirements for structures or buildings. And really Title 24 is the entirety of the building code, but there's a section that was enacted that required that buildings that were constructed in California undergo certain analysis to make sure that they meet certain energy efficiency requirements. And every 3 years or so they get tightened and they're more restrictive, and our buildings in California have become significantly more energy efficient and healthy because of those regulations. So when people talk about Title 24, what they're talking about is running energy analysis calculations on a potential project, or a modification or a new building, and they do have to do with the air. It has to do with heating and cooling the air, electrical, plumbing, water heating. There's all these energy systems that get analyzed, and we refer to that as Title 24.